Hello everyone. Just waiting for other participants so that we can just start the class. Good evening. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Really good evening, ma'am. Hello, Hemant, sir. Hello, good evening. Very good evening. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. I'm just about to give my introduction. I'm just waiting for others as well to join. I'll just start at 6 5, and thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
Hello, Gauri ma'am.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah, good evening. I want to just confirm with you the videos of the classes which we have downloaded from the YouTube on our desktop.
Yes,
Will
sir.
it remain with us permanently or it will
Yes,
be
yes. If you have downloaded, that will be permanent.
permanently, no? So
Yes.
you can refer that video as and when required.
Yeah.
Thank
Before
you.
how
Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah. Yeah.
So today is the last day of the session, right, madam? How
Yes, yes.
many days the YouTube this thing will be there for for our downloading?
No, no, it's there for the permanent. They don't remove. Every classes are there for the permanent.
Oh, it will not be removed.
No,
We
no.
can use the same link and go to the class and we can see it.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay. You need not download, right, madam?
Yeah, yeah. You don't need to download.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Most welcome. Yeah, hi everyone. Good evening. So this is Gauri this side, founder of Digital Dronacharya, and I have been there with MSME as well from more than 6 years, and already trained like more than 40,000 plus students till now. So I'll just give you a little bit brief of mine that will inspire you as well. And the today's session, like we have already completed our whole session and the whole syllabus. But what is the point if we cannot make our learnings into earnings? So today is a session where I'll guide you how to make your learnings and your skills so that you can just earn something as well out of it. You can do the freelance, you can do like give 2 3 hours as well, and after that how you can grow as well. So today is that session, and yes, you can open if we'll cover the session before the time. We are open for the session for the Q&A as well. So I was also not from the tech background, not at all tech background. When I started my journey, I was a fashion designer. I was working with a very good company, and I was doing in the merchandise sector. So it was 2016 when I was diagnosed with brain cancer. It was the last stage cancer, and after that, I just wanted to do something. At that time, I never decided that I will die. So I wanted to do which is work from home or I can devote time. And at that time, I discovered I was from the small town Sonipat only. So at that time, I discovered there is a subject digital marketing, and through that, I can do work from home. And I knew in some time I have to take care of my family as well. So that is the pressure I was going through. So I started learning from few resources, from few institutes and all, but I was not getting exact knowledge, exact practical knowledge. Everything was theoretical, and after spent few time, I was at zero again. How to implement it, how to do it, I knew nothing. And I still remember I went to the Medanta for Gurgaon for my report checkup. It was my friends, like my father's friend was there, so just wanted to recheck that everything is going on the proper basis. So I went there and I just let my father sit down there, and it was there. The Google's office was there nearby. I went there. I just told my story. I wanted to do something. Can you please guide me? There was one sir, and he taught me. He gave me a lot of work, and that's how I started my journey. And I'm totally fine right now. I have survived the cancer and without any surgery through homeopathic only. And the first batch when I started teaching was only the women, because they wanted to take their husbands shops into the digital world. So that's how I started the journey. And you can do anything if you want to do anything. So today is the session on the earnings purpose only. And Mohit sir was always appreciating the class, that you all are doing fantastic work, you all are trying each day to get better and better. So hats off to you, each one of you, for putting all the efforts. Thank you so much for putting all the efforts and on learnings. That's really great. Even Mohit sir, Akash sir were very happy with the audience. That audience is very good. They are very learning nature wise. So thank you so much. So today's session, well, I'll start. So basically, when you want to work, we think of that spending 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. So we will, distribute the time. Okay, I'll start with the sharing screen. Just do let me know if the screen is visible. So this is Behance. You have already worked on the, graphic designing, video editing, and a lot part. So Behance is a platform where you can put your, makings in the display. It's a portfolio. So there on Behance, basically you have to start. You can see, I'll show you. Just have to do the sign up process. Then there is a banner from where you will come when you join the Behance. You can just ask the questions as well if you find any confusion or any difficulty. When you'll come to Behance profile, you will see this page. So this is the banner. Banner size is there, 3200 into 410. Everyone knows how to put, size on Canva. Do everyone remember dimensions for the
Yes, ma'am.
dimensions?
White,
Uh,
Portland, landscape,
Yes.
Custom size,
Custom
perfect.
size.
size.
Yeah. So 3200 into 410 is the banner size. And you can put like this: welcome to the portfolio digital marketer. Here is the edit profile info. Your name and the last name will come. Headline, you can put it like digital marketer, or you can just create more good headlines from the chat GPT as well. Company name, if there is anything a startup is there you are doing with, or a blog you have already made, you can put their name. Otherwise you can leave this blank. Then city, and then URL. Then we have again blogger and the graphic designer. You can put it in your way as well. I'm so sorry. There is about section. In about section you should always create a very good about. You know all the prompts and everything now, so you can just create it with the chat gpt or any other tool as well, Gemini, like this. About is there. And if again a blog, you if you want to put the blog link, you have already made your blog. Have you started working on that after content writing?
Yes, ma'am, we are trying, ma'am. Yeah.
Perfect. If you want to put any custom section, you can put over here, so that you can write it down, any experience, any like about the MSME certificate as well, you can put everything. Then we have work experience. In the work experience, I have already told you about the, you can put your like full-time blogger and your blog link. And if you have made any graphics, first of all you should always make graphics to connect, so that people can, you know add to it. Okay. Just give me a minute. I just wanted to show more things in this. If you are available, looking for the opportunities or available, you can just write your availabilities. And first of all, for example, if you have started making graphics, just make five graphics for travel, food, uh, festivals. These are the topics which is popular in the digital marketing world. These are the topics where they are demanding, because people need like festivals. You must have seen a festival wishes, a lot of shop owners, business owners sending you festival wishes by their photo, putting into it. So this is the great thing you can put into it. And the travel world is again. So this is how he made 5 graphics. This is the basic portfolio he created, and then gave the cover image as well. After that, food. You can put take any food item, any food brand, KFC, McDonald's, any food brand you want to. Then we have festivals. So this is how, if we are coming to his portfolio, this is our student only. So I can see a lot of thing is there to understand. You can put like the same as well, or different posters as well. So while putting it, how to upload it, I'll just show you. You just have to come to the image section and then upload. That's it. And to put your cover photo, you just have to click on the settings over here, and edit cover image. That's how you can upload your cover image. And then you have to give the project title, like festival post. You have to give the tags, like hashtags, it will work. Tool used, Canva. Now, how would you categorize, like graphic design, advertising? Again, this is the this works as a tags, so you can use all these and then update. That's it. So basically, you have to make your own portfolio on Behance. This is the basic thing. If you have your own portfolio on Behance, then you can get more and more results. Now the another platform is LinkedIn. I'll come later on the LinkedIn. Any doubt so far for the Behance? Any questions? Any doubt? Yes. Basically, in Hindi we say जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. So people, there are the two benefits if you will work on this. First benefit is like your creativity will get more enhanced. Second, Behance will give you a lot of work opportunities. So you should always put something, and the cover images as well, so that it looks neat and clean. Any questions? Internships, I'm coming into it. Behance will give you projects as well, but for the internships and the freelance work, I'll come on the Internshala, which is the next platform.
Ma'am, even for training and consultancy also we can post.
Sorry, sir.
For training activities also we can post.
Yes, sir. Yes, you can.
Okay, this is the website which you have mentioned.
Yeah, Behance.
Uh-huh.
So next
Thank you.
platform is Internshala. So Internshala is a very good platform, And intern Shala will give you a lot of opportunities, and it works as a freelance only. So sometimes when we see like we are getting 5,000 or 6,000, so how our students are earning? So basically, they learn something, they make a portfolio, and they start applying. Okay, so if you go with a poster creation, for the one poster creation, how much time you will devote? I just want to ask from you all. If you, yes, ma'am, for the beginners, this is best thing. This is for the beginners only. Yeah. So how much time you will devote if you have to make one poster from Canva?
Maybe 10 minutes.
10 minutes. 10 minutes, perfect. I'll say like 15 to 20 minutes. Let's take 20 minutes. Okay. You have done the content writing as well.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
yeah. So if you are applying for 5 to 6,000, right, and you are giving your 20 minutes a day in a month, and you are multiplying it because you can devote 2 hours, 1.5 hour, then you can do 2, 3, 4. Then because if someone is paying you in starting 20,000, 25,000, they demand your whole day, right? But if you are channelizing it, like you are working for the 6 hours and you are getting, I'll just say just 6 to 8 hours, right? But if you're working for the 20 minutes and 30 minutes in a day and you are getting 6,000, then multiply it. 2, 3, 4, 5 internships and the freelance work, there is no limit, right? And there is no pressure as well. So I'll just let you know how to do the sign up process. First, I'll show you in the incognito. When you will come to the intern Shala, just make sure you will register. And when you have to register, you have to register it with a as a student, not an employer. Okay? Let me show you. I have to get one more ID just to sign up. I'll just ask from your end to create the intern Shala by sharing the screen after giving you an idea. So this is a student account. Okay, I'll show you the resume part first. This is the most important thing. If you are not doing these things, then you are not getting any responses. So your full name, your email ID, your phone number, and then the career objective. For example, like why you want to pursue or something. Of course, ChatGPT can give you a very good lines. Then what are the education quality? Okay, so qualification, sorry. Education qualifications, you should start from the 10th, 10th, 12th, you have done graduation, post graduation, mention each and everything in detail. Then if any work experience is there so far, you will put that. And of course, when you have a blogger account, you can just write full-time blogger, and in that you have to put the image as well, so the graphic designer as well in your own blog. Please note down the skills. These skills you have to add in a particularly on time, like the skills is must. Skills you have to put it in a very good way. So you know Canva, you know now blogging, you can skip search engine marketing, email marketing. I'm so sorry. YouTube ads you can skip. English proficiency you have to write. MS Office, creative writing, video editing, content writing, SEO. I'm so sorry for my cough. Can you give me a minute? So sorry for the break. Yeah. So creative writing, video editing you can add, content writing, then SEO, then you know basics of social media marketing as well. So you can add all these. Then you have to put again Behance. Different type of students make another banners and the segments as well. You can see if you have a blog, then blog link. You can put Tumblr link as well if you have, otherwise you can leave it. So basic resume, you need to put all these things. You can note down as well. This is a basic need. Now I'll show you how to apply. I have taken already work from home. So you can see here graphic designer, script writer, you don't have to pay for the, you don't apply for the unpaid one. So I'll start with the graphic designer. You can see the stipend. You can see about the. See, basically, whenever someone is putting an internship or job details, they put a lot of things. So just apply it first. If you are applying, after that you will get the assignments or the questions which you have to fill it. Okay. So first is, can you show your 2 or 3 of your best designs? Here what you will paste the Behance link. Okay. How do you ensure your design balances creativity and conversion goals? So basically you just have to put it on ChatGPT. You will get a good answer. Like this, and you will put the answer. Which tools? Canva. You can just ensure that I'll work on Canva and you can submit. Again, then we have scriptwriter. They are giving 10,000, which will demand the time. So it's better you will start working on 5,000 or 6,000, not more than that for in a starting. After that they will only give you more work. Again, if we apply on it, they are asking nothing. Yes, I'm available, and you can just submit. I'll show you how the messages will come as well. After applying, you can see where you have applied on the my applications. Here you can see where she has already applied. They also give you the missing skill part like this. You can avoid this. This is nothing very serious. It's just their marketing thing. And after applying, she started getting replies like this. Always remember to reply. Intern Shala never shows your profile up if you don't reply. So they have given her the topic. She has already submitted as well. And they have given her the time period as well and the form as well. Again, they have given you the application process. And she didn't like the work, so she said that I would like to withdraw my application. Do you understood? Any doubts so far? Intern Shala. Intern Shala is the place where you can work, where I have showed, and they will give you a task. You can submit it and start working it. That is the most trustable, platform you can trust on. You can just make, if you are working on Google content writing, you can just make Google Docs, you can submit the link, and if you're working on graphic, you can upload on Behance and submit like that. Clear everyone? Any doubts so far?
Excuse me, ma'am. Like, what kind of jobs they may give other than graphic and content writing?
There are a lot of jobs out there. There are the financial jobs for the PhDs as well, like script writing and the content writing. So it's a platform where skill is required. So I can show you as well. Like for what platform are you, like for what feed are you looking it for?
Like implementing this Canva, what are the only graphic we can do,
No,
or
no, you can do graphic designing, content writing. You can do SEO little bit. You can do social media marketing like that.
okay.
And they are giving you all the topics.
Ma'am, this templates and all, this can be sell over here, ma'am.
Yeah,
Templates.
yeah. Behance, you are saying?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes. I didn't
And
understand. Yeah,
and
question.
like videos also we can upload in Behance.
Yes. You can upload PPTs, videos, and the images on Behance.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. You can also work for the video editing as well.
Actually, Behance is that for the what's the work for the Behance?
So Behance is the basically a portfolio thing. When you work somewhere, you have to put it to on a platform. So Behance is the platform where you will get the views as well, and you will get everything aligned in one thing. Basically, a portfolio. So that is the thing. So Behance is the mandatory thing, so that people can know what you have done so far.
So
So
our
that's why we are giving a link of Behance to in that website.
Exactly. We will put our
Okay.
Behance link to the intern Shala as well, and now we will start with the LinkedIn. So we will put over there as well.
so ma'am, if we do a project means our rating also will be given, right? Our reviews and
Yes,
rating.
yes, sir. In the intern Shala, how you are replying, how there is a score as well. So you will get the score, and intern Shala also give your profile to the job owner, so that your profiles can, you will get the direct invites as well.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Website designing is also there. You can design your portfolio over there as well. But Behance is for the graphics basically. Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
the internship
Yeah,
for the website building as well.
please apologies. Like I still could not get what does this internshala do? Will
Basically, ma'am,
analyze our
yeah, I'll just explain again. Internshala is a platform where internships has been provided, but it works as a freelancer. Okay, so basically, when you are applying for that, so I recommend always apply for 5 to 6,000. That will devote your 20 or 30 minutes only, and then you can multiply it to internships, 3 internships. Like our students have made a team as well. They have started putting, getting a lot of internships. They divide the time and the given task, and they're earning, more and more.
For that, thank you for all the love and support you gave for the last video, the Smiley video. The
So
video
your
Smiley
voice is not audible, so
தானா இப்ப நம்ம நிறைய பேசியிருக்கோம் பட் பத்தி தான் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நிறைய கமெண்ட்
I was not about to listen, sir. Yeah. So let's move further to the LinkedIn. Everything is clear so far? Clear, everyone? Your reply will be, yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Very appreciable. So I'll come forward to the LinkedIn. I'll show the LinkedIn of this person as well. See, again on LinkedIn, you should always make a banner. You will, you have to put a things like I'll show you now. This is a LinkedIn. Okay. So for the banner, you have to come over here, view profile. If you want to change the cover image, you can. To make LinkedIn cover, you just have to go to Canva and put a keyword like LinkedIn banner, and you will get it. And after that, you have to give your full name. I'll show you. I'll cover one by one. So this is the basic required thing. Full name. If there are any, pronouns, and the headline should be, good. You can change as well. You can put your current position, any industry, education. Again, education you have to give full, 10, 12, everything. Okay. So here we have add profile section. There is a section about where you have to put everything about you. I'll show you mine as well. See, when I came here, I'm not able to see about. If I was here, because he has not put the about section. So you should always put your about section in a good way and the scale as well, so that people can understand you and can reach you better. It show her LinkedIn as well. I have my about section properly written so that people can reach me and can understand whatever I was doing. And the more good about, the more good people will reach you. So you should always have a very good about. again, when the add profile section, she doesn't put the profile photo, so showing it. Add education, you should always put everything: 10th, 12th, graduation, post graduation. Then add positions where you are working, like you have put into the intern shala, your blog name, graphic design, and your the sorry yeah, here it will come the full time blogger and the company name, and here it will come employment type, like it's a full time or the part time. So if you are a blogger, you just have to put full time, and then you can put from when you have started and currently working. So if you put all these things properly, you will get good reach. You should always put skills as well. The more skills you will show, the more reach will go. All skills should be there. Like I have put each and everything properly. Then we have recommended, add featured. Featured is this something which I have done. I'll show you. We take LinkedIn for granted, but LinkedIn is the main thing. This is featured. Any certifications, like you are doing MSME and any other else as well, if you have done so far, you can put over here. Any projects you have done, all the courses and the recommendations. Then you have any, publications, any patents, any awards, languages. So you can put each and everything on LinkedIn properly. Now I'll show you the section where you can change your profile URL. See, here is the edit your custom URL. You can change from here. I hope it was clear. If you want, I can show you again. This is the platform. You have to click over here. And then again click on this. And then you can change. When you sign up, this is not the same. But you can change and customize in your way. See, verified badge. Add a verified badge. Just have to open the app and from the phone, and then you have to connect it through DigiLocker. Do you know everyone DigiLocker?
No, ma'am.
DigiLocker is government's app where you have to put your Aadhaar card and your license. So you are getting LinkedIn free badge. There is no costing. You will get the blue tick in free of cost. You just have to sign up on DigiLocker. Then you just have to open your mobile. You have to scan this, and then after that, you have to do the verification process from DigiLocker. When you sign up with DigiLocker, you will get one OTP and you will get the free badge. That's it. It's very simple. It will show this like this. Now there is a
Connecting to DigiLocker is it's mandatory.
Yes, ma'am. It's mandatory. LinkedIn only verifies you and give you a verification badge through DigiLocker only.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So now we have the section jobs. There is a tool. LinkedIn have their own tools as well. See, if you want to apply on LinkedIn, they have their own tool. You can just write it down as well if you are looking for content writing or a video editing. For example, I have put content writing. This is showing Karnal or somewhere because this is his location he has put already. Now this is the channel where you can see a lot of things from people, jobs, posts, companies, products, school. This is a very good tool LinkedIn has been provided, events, courses, and the services. Then we have company as well, date posted, past month, and yeah, I can write it down here, work from home as well, or remote jobs I can see. Because it's showing Karnal, I'll just change that as well. See, you have started getting, College Dunia has posted. College Dunia is a very big brand. Then we have companies as well, and then Easy Apply. Easy Apply means that you don't have to, do a lot of work on it. So these are the results you can see. This is the tool which is showing you the results. You can see any. This is the remote jobs basically. So basically you can apply from here as well. I'll show it on my. I'm putting it India because I'm looking for the remote job. So I can work from everywhere I want. Remote Canva designer. Again, Easy Apply I can put. So here you can see again a lot of companies are showing you. And in Turnchala, basically platform differences that they will give you assignment and you will also work on that, and there is a transparency in this. You have to talk to them, and you have to face the interview. On that there is conversation over only in Turnchala. So you can see you can apply on LinkedIn as well on the daily basis as well for the remote job. In some they have mentioned the amount as well. This is the also drawback of LinkedIn, that we don't able to get what is the pay before applying to it. So LinkedIn is very good for the freelancing. LinkedIn is very deep tool as well for the business. If you want to find new clients, groups, managing biz. Just a second, I think someone's is
Excuse me, ma'am.
yeah.
All these which you are saying will be free, or
Yes,
by
this
paying
is
only premium we can get all these.
no, sir. This is free of cost. This is a
Okay.
very good thing, and people don't know app. The Behance is free, the Intern Chala is free, the LinkedIn is free. Don't have to book the for the premium. This is all are totally free.
But in LinkedIn, somewhere I saw that some 50% in premium, like that I saw. That's what I'm
For
asking.
the jobs apply, this is not there. The premium I'm showing. For the premium, for the businesses, and you want to see who are looking into it. For that and the advertisement part, that is the premium part. This is not the premium.
Okay.
I think voice is coming. Yeah.
So to basically upload our portfolio and our skills, there is no need of premium.
Yes, sir. Yes. You just have to put your skills. Your banner is must. And because right now everyone is saying they are doing this, they are doing that, but nobody is able to prove it. So
Yeah.
first of all is the most important thing. If you have a Behance, even you have 3 posters, put it on it. A person can analyze that you have done something. So first, the most important thing Behance, and after that, if you have LinkedIn, nobody is putting their cover image. So cover image is something which stand you, out of the box, which someone gets, yeah, this is the person. This has done the hard work, and this is the smart person. So
Yeah.
second thing is the banner. So banner I have given on the Behance as well and the LinkedIn as well, and it will hardly take your 1 hour. Hardly. It will
Yeah.
only take your 1 hour to do all these things, but this is for the lifetime, whenever you want to work. And when you start with the intern Shala freelancing and the LinkedIn, I prefer first intern Shala because intern Shala will boost your motivation. When you will apply, you will next day only get the replies. And the
Yeah,
LinkedIn, yeah.
basically before and all it was even though we have skills means it is very difficult to get the jobs. And there is nobody to market us and push us. But
Yeah.
nowadays, if we have the right skills and update our skills means
Yeah.
using these websites we can easily
Yes,
market
sir.
ourselves and get job in the next hour itself.
Yes, totally, totally. And uh, basically, people are looking in, more skills because when AI has came, a lot of people have said that AI is replacing, but AI has generated more and more jobs
New
and
jobs, yeah.
resources. Yeah, because people are, when we have to make a blog in the earlier days, you need a graphic designer, you need a content writer, you need
Hmm.
someone to do the proofreading, the content is good or not, and that. So you need a people of 9 to 10, and then you will start a blog. And now you just start up, and after that you can also hire a one person in 1000 or 2000, and people are ready to devote because a lot of people are there to work for you as well. So more people are generating more work and doing a lot for themselves, and then they grow their work, and then they work as a freelancer. So more and more jobs are there, more and more internships are there. You can, if you want to start with the social media, you just have to give an internship. You'll grow with the pages,
So
show that
basically,
pages.
these platforms are like a bridge which connects the skill and the
Yes,
demand.
yes. And someone has worked for you 3 months, they want you to work longer time. And you are okay as well because you both have the understanding, and the pay is getting increasing, and the time is getting more less because you have all
Yeah,
understood, the company has understood, and you have understood the company.
that
If you
procedures.
have,
Yeah,
yeah, if you're devoting like 30 minutes, that comes to the 10 minutes, and the company has no issues with that because they are getting the work. Because not every, like, I know graphic designing, okay, I
yeah.
know video editing, I know everything, but I cannot do everything on my own. That's how I won't able to manage. So if I'm taking class over here, someone is shooting the reel for DD, and someone is editing it, but I know everything, but I cannot do everything on my own. So that is how it's built. If even people are getting more in a good way because now they know how to work. So LinkedIn is a very good platform, and it's not at all premium for the this search bar is totally free of cost.
Yeah, basically the name in the LinkedIn itself it says, ma'am, it is linking.
Yeah, LinkedIn is for the networking. It's
Yeah.
for the networking. And I'll just explain a little bit for the paid section as well. Here we have the sell. If you want to sell something, if you want to make groups, these are the things. Advertise. These are the things. Even a learning. These are the premium things. If you want to
Uh-huh.
make a company page or something, then also you can make the company page for sure. But it's again the premium thing. Premium thing. That's how it is working. But
Okay.
this section is totally free. In the network section, who's looking into you, who's checking your profile, that is again premium. But that is, I don't think we need to, uh, get all these things, get into all these things. So these are the things we need. We as a skill, if we have, done something, we can work on it. I hope I'm clear with this.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I am open with the anything, not from the syllabus, anything from the part of AI or digital marketing you want to ask. The last session we always keep is a complimentary session because we sum up the syllabus in 14 days. So that last days a lot of queries are there. A lot of things are there like how to earn and something. So we just clear all that. And so I'm open for the Q&A. So you can just ask anything related to anything from the DM part. I'll be answering you. I'll be teaching you.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, basically, Mohit sir classes, it has created the interest in studying more, learning more, like
That's
all those
really
things. But now the thing is, I feel personally for me that I should become a professional in something by learning more deeper.
yeah.
Then automatically we can proceed further.
Yes. Yes. Perfect. So perfect. The learnings never end. We have to
Yeah.
learn each day. Any questions? Anyone related to
Ma'am,
anything? Yes, you.
ma'am,
Yeah.
I'm Ram Sharma. I have a doubt.
Yeah.
So suppose I do the insurance business and I put all my skills and everything there, what I am doing, what is my past experience and all. So is it considered as business or just information?
No, no, sir. This is also considered as a business only.
Even though I put just information, not to like an advertisement, even then it is considered as business.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So I have to take premium
Business.
only.
Yeah, business. You are advertising at some point. You must not be using the digital advertisements, but you must have done advertisements at some point.
No, I haven't yet started in LinkedIn.
Yeah.
So suppose I give the all information that what I am doing and what services I can offer. This is like just information in the LinkedIn, but still I have to pay for that.
I didn't get your question. Can you please pardon? You have started on LinkedIn and
I put all my details, ma'am. What is my education qualification? What is my background? What services I can offer to the public clients.
yeah.
All this information is provided in that, here like
Okay.
Facebook or in LinkedIn. I suppose
Okay.
LinkedIn, if I say that after seeing this all information, will they ask me to pay any premium amount or it is just like available information on the site only?
No, no. If
Basically,
you
I think that like more number of HRs will be there to recruit people for their work.
yes, yes,
So if
yes.
we pay premium, I think
This is not recruitment, related to recruitment.
no. Actually, in this LinkedIn, there will be a lot of people from insurance sector. You are from insurance sector, right?
Yeah.
Suppose if anybody wants to take the service of you, means they will contact you. So
So you
suppose if you are on a premium, means like 100 people can contact you. If you are in a free stage, means like free means then only 5 people can contact you. I think it will work like that, I guess.
Oh, that is the
yeah.
limitation.
Yeah, there is a limitation. There
Okay.
is a limitation to send request as well because when I
Yeah.
have shown you, if you must have put the attention to it, I'll share my screen again. When I was searching on LinkedIn,
Okay.
okay, for example, I'll just put the insurance keyword only. Okay, so I have jobs, then I have the person people. So anybody can, they can just
Create
change
the
these
profile.
thing as well, and then you can start connecting to people, HRs for the corporate insurances you are trying to provide, right?
Okay.
But they want to know the finer details of us, means we have to pay premium, I guess.
You can start with the without premium, and after that you can go with the premium, but ultimately if you want to reach more people
Because that is
as
how LinkedIn earns, I guess. Because they
yeah,
also
that's
wants to
how.
earn, right?
Yeah,
what would be the minimum fare, ma'am, basic amount they charge? Suppose I say 100 people have to be contacted to me.
they have the premium basically. Their
What are the
premium.
minimum charges?
Yeah, their premium charges are different for the sales and for the other things. So if you want to connect with the people and for the connection you want, so there is alag, like there are the different segments. I'll just give you the idea as well for the premium amount. Yeah, just give me a second. I'm just giving you the confirmation.
Okay.
Yeah. How to add the music to the video in Canva? Short. For the premium, for the career, if someone wants to get the career basis, so this is the basically LinkedIn is the most expensive platform over all the social medias. So it's a 1,500 per month. To be very specified, it's 1,490 and 12,000 for the year. And for the premium businesses which you will be needed, it's 2,299. Then again per month, and the 18,800 per year. Sales Navigator Core, if you want, it's a 3,399, and it's 28,800. So this is how it is. So I'll give you a suggestion. If you don't go for the premium, just start connecting. You can just send like 100 messages per day. So start doing that. You just start messaging HRs. You start setting, and you will convert it very good. On the LinkedIn, if it's not premium, people are doing that only. So start sending network, and with network you can just send the message as well. You know how to send a message with the network? Can anybody just let me know if any LinkedIn account over here?
You want us to tell our account, ma'am?
Yeah, any LinkedIn account. I just wanted to show you how to send a message with the connection.
That it is very easy only, ma'am. It will be visible. Send, connect. It will be there. It will be very
Yeah,
easy
it's very
to.
easy.
Yeah.
It's totally very easy. Like if you are sending a connection, just have to I'll show you as well. I'll just share my screen again. Like I have put the name, but I'll just show you. I won't send the. So this is how add a note, send without a note. We will always click on send without a note. Just make a good message, add a note. The person will automatically understood that this is the work and they will connect to you. That's how it works. Yeah. So another question was, can I show the how to? Yes, I can show for it for sure. So I have put any video. I have taken any video. So there already the overlays are there, and this is the sound. Already they have put the sound. I have add sound is already there. Otherwise, you can go in the elements and then you can search audio as well. Or I'll just add from here. So I can add like this, and I can just drag and drop This is a small song, so I'll just. I have to take another song. Like this. You can just add the music like this. It's very simple. I hope it's clear. My screen was shared, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Perfect. Any other question?
Ma'am, this is Jareen.
Yeah. Hi, Jenny.
Yeah, I have two things to ask you. One is you were mentioning about uh, LinkedIn and Internshala and the one, right?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
these are all standalone platforms, or I have to go through like as a series of websites.
No. You can just go through these sites only. These are the standalone sites. First, go to the Behance.
App is also
Just
available, no, ma'am? App.
yeah.
Oh, these are available in apps also,
Sorry, ma'am.
app versions. These are available in app versions also.
You're not literally audible. Can you please pardon?
No, ma'am. She's asking whether these are also downloadable as apps, LinkedIn app.
Yes. Not Behance. Behance, if you download it, you won't be able to work very properly. But you can use it on laptop. But Internshala is a very good app, and LinkedIn is also a very good app. On Internshala, if you apply on it, if you're applying it on PC, you must have check your mails or app you can download basically, because you will reply on the very good timing. If you reply soon, you will get the more chances to get hired soon. So of course, apps are there, and very good apps, very mobile. Is it clear, ma'am? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And the second one is like I'm going to start as a freelancer, right? And
Yeah.
after that, I will be in the stage of a beginner.
Yeah.
So, do you have any specific rates that with you so that I can for the Canva services alone?
You want to generate? Can you please pardon? Your voice is like breaking basically, so that's why I was not able to understand. For the Canva, I understood.
No,
Can you
ma'am.
please
Actually,
pardon?
she's saying that she wants to start as a beginner to do the
Okay.
Canva services.
Okay.
Okay, so that's for beginner, how much they will pay like that, she's asking, I guess.
Yeah. You can start for the beginners. I have given the amount like 5-6,000, and for the beginners, I have shown you all the data. But being a beginner, don't apply without any portfolio. They won't. You will be demotivated. You won't get any, replies or anything. So when you are making a Behance, you are not at all a beginner. A person is looking into your portfolio, they are analyzing that you have the experience of colors. And even if you're making it, if you'll make 5 posters of festivals, you will automatically see that your creativity has increased, because since childhood we are working with the logic brain. Our creativity is, you know getting slower, because we used to make drawings and all in the childhood only. So if we are making 5 posters on graphic, we have started getting color themes, ideas. Our brain is more recognizing, oh, it suits yellow and red, it suits this color, this the typography, these things are looking very good. So when you are making on Behance, you will automatically get more and more, uh, you know, ideas as well, and I don't think you will be a beginner. So everything I have told you today, that is from the perspective of the beginner only, but a company will not consider you as a beginner.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
actually, I think what she's asking is yesterday Mohit sir said that as a freelancer, as a beginner, how much we can quote for our work. Like if we are building a website,
Okay,
how much we
okay, okay,
charge.
okay.
If we are
Okay,
making a thumbnail,
Yeah,
how much we can
exactly,
charge.
exactly.
okay, perfect, perfect, perfect.
Exactly. But still, what you were mentioning, that was informative also, ma'am.
Okay, okay, perfect, perfect. So basically, if you are not applying on Intern Chala, if you are not applying on LinkedIn, and if after that you are asking for any projects or anywhere. So for the graphic designing, for the posters, you can ask 200 rupees in the starting for the posters, and for the reels you should charge 5,000. Okay, for the reels, sorry, 500, not 5,000. It was per month. Will go. If you want, uh, in the starting, telling you this will grow with the time. And if you need, I can give you PPT as well, where you will get every detail of the amount, what you can work with. So basic charge for the graphic designing, if it's a poster, it's a single poster, then 200 for the reel, and the video it's 500. You have done animated video as well. For the animated videos, it's around 800 to 1000. Yeah, sure, ma'am, I can give you my number as well. And you need any other quotations as well? Can you please specify for the quotations, for if you want like any other quotations,
Yes,
so I
ma'am.
can.
If you can provide an Excel sheet for everything individually,
Yeah,
like
I'll
thumbnails,
just show
video
you the
editing,
basic. Yeah, I'll just.
website building.
Yeah, yeah. For the basic website building, if you are making only
Ma'am,
one landing page, yeah. I will be sharing in the group the PPT, basic PPT. In the group, I'll just let me. Of course, I can. I can. I don't have it in Word, so I can share it in a group basically. Yes, for the intern Chala, you need the portfolio. The portfolio is must. Without portfolio, it's nothing.
Ma'am, this is Tejashwini. I have a doubt, ma'am. Like you told Behance and all, no, ma'am. In that, if we are posting some whatever work we have done, can we like post it in social media or somewhere else
Yeah,
also?
yeah,
Or
yeah. Yes, yes,
okay,
yes. You can post it everywhere you want to. I have
okay,
given you like a basic portfolio in Behance, because on Behance, like we have basic portfolio creation. But if you are posting on social media and writing a caption, like you can get these things, you can create your get your wedding cards. Like if you make one wedding card, it costs you 7-8 thousand. You just start with 2,000. Step into it, and you will start. Basically nowadays e-wedding cards are there, so charge less and taste your creativity, give the taste of your creativity, and make yourself a brand. So that is how you can do. So if you're posting on social medias, that totally good.
okay, ma'am. Thank you. But both the side also we can put on. That is my question.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Okay.
yes. Yes, there is a time foundation in everything. So if you are quoting for the work, so you can take a day. You can just say that it will be delivered within 24 hours or 48 hours. So, but of course, there will be time foundation. There is always a time foundation in everything you do. You are making, who will validate? Ma'am, you can share it to me. I can check. You don't have to worry about that. You can share it to me, Mohit sir, Akash sir. We will revert back to you. So you can check and you can just share it. And yes, I will share the PPT of each and everything mentioned with the amount in the group. Any further questions?
Ma'am, any
Yeah, but
idea about Upwork and Fiverr websites, ma'am, where we can do freelancing?
Basically, I think you should start with this. Upwork is very good. Freelancer is no more working in a very good way. Upwork is little bit, saved. But that will, for now, I won't prefer you because there is on that platform when it was started, there was no fakeness. But now a lot of fakeness is there. They will charge you money for even applying. If you want to bid on something, you have to pay. And after paying, you are not getting your money delivered to you. So if I talk about in Town Chala or something, they have their law system. When you complain, you will get your money for sure. There is no charges you have to give it to anybody in starting. So freelancer I don't prefer because it was very good. I have worked a lot with freelancer and Upwork, but nowadays it's totally paid, and there are a lot of fake people are there who just work. You just sit and get your work done, and they are not paying. So the motivation gets you know less because people are not paying you for the things you have spent time for that's why I have not talked about that sides here as well. So you have to get work done, get more experience, then you will understand who is not fake and who are trustworthy.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, one more thing. In MSME, any other courses if we want to do, like, can we get any like list of courses? Like I've seen on newspaper, like different courses are there, but
Yeah,
everything together, anything like in combination, like that.
yeah,
Like
sure.
in this present course, we got to know about social media marketing, but if at all we are interested in anything else, like website building was just a brief explanation. So
Yeah,
if you want to
yeah.
know more about that.
Yeah, I'll shortly ask Atul sir and the team to give you all the courses list as well. And with Didi also, if we give her any briefs, I will share with you as well. You can just share it with me. I am like in a specific topics. If you want to do in the core way, you can just text me. I'll share it with you.
Ma'am, you are providing a machine learning and in Python right now, correct, right,
MSME,
ma'am?
yes. MSME is about to like start the batch on machine learning and AI.
Yes, ma'am, I
Cyber
saw it on the
security.
newspaper.
Sorry.
I saw it on a newspaper, ma'am. I'm studying
Yes,
now my core
yes,
paper as a Python, ma'am.
yes. I'll ask her to share in the group all the courses.
Yes, ma'am.
so,
Thank you so much.
ma'am, now the need of the hour is to, as of me, to burn the midnight oil to develop the skills.
Yeah, right. Because basically, if you are investing something on skills,
Yeah,
that should always make something
fruitful. It
get
will be
for the
fruitful.
earning, so that you will also feel good that I have learned something,
Yeah.
and I have done this. And it hardly takes, if it takes 10 minutes and 15 minutes to make a festival post and you are getting 200, and if you are delivering 5 posts in a day, just imagine your 30
Yeah,
days.
even if I become a grandpa, then I can pass my knowledge to my grandchildren.
Yeah,
They'll be
that's
happy to find a poster.
yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah, you got an email regarding course in ethical hacking and the cyber security. Must have got. Yeah.
Ma'am, other than MSME, like directly in Digital Dronacharya, also any courses available?
Yes, ma'am. We have all the courses, core SEO, core graphic designing and core blogging if you want to pursue, core email marketing as well. Everything we provide. You can just text us, anybody of us, like me, Mohit, or Akash. So we will share the brochure with you for sure.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Any
Ma'am,
further questions?
do you feature AI tools in healthcare also?
Do I teach AI tools?
In healthcare services.
I'm so sorry. I'm not able to understand your question. Can you please type if that's okay with you? Or can anybody please pardon if anybody else understood? Healthcare related, you are asking?
Yes,
She's
she
asking
meant AI tools in healthcare.
Related to healthcare, like in healthcare, what do you want for the tools? I just wanted to, if you can specify. Because healthcare, no, not in the specific of the healthcare. I'll let you know. If you want to make a blog on health, that is we can provide. If you want, to promote the healthcare pages or laboratories, that we can provide. Yeah. Okay. And import and export. No, ma'am, that is not available. If it's available in MSME, I will surely let you know. It's not available with us right now.
Ma'am, are you
Suppose
providing internship also, ma'am?
Sorry, ma'am.
Are you providing internship also, ma'am? I saw a research internship in computer science you provide.
Are you talking about MSME, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I saw it in newspaper, ma'am. You are provide research internship for computer science UGPG students.
I'll just ask Atul sir, and he can revert back in that. I have no idea for that, ma'am.
Ma'am, are you providing internship also for UG students?
Ma'am, I have to ask for that. I had no idea right now for this. I'm so
Okay,
sorry.
ma'am. Thank
Yeah,
you.
I'll deliver your message to ma'am, and so there here only sir has said that if anybody is interested in applying, they can start sending the profile. See, basically, if he's also applying, he wants your portfolio only. Everybody needs profile. What you have done. So that is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
basic thing. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yes, we do teach medical content writing. Yes, medical content writing, which features healthcare AI tools, we do teach that.
Ma'am, if at all we start working and if we are not like confident about the output, can we just take advice from Mohit sir or anybody?
Yes, ma'am. We will always be connected. This is something. I think everybody should always get connected because network building is something which never goes away. So you can always message us on calls. We are very less available for because, like for example, if we are taking class right now, and mostly we are taking the classes right now only. So if we are taking the class, we cannot take the calls. But obviously, when we sit down, we always reply. So you can always text us related to anything. If you have made your Behance portfolio or content writing you have done, just please text us. We would really happy to see that and guide you. If you face any issues in the internships, like how to reply this, what are the things they are asking for, how to tackle it, you can just text us. We would really love to help you. And it's not a help, this is something we actually wanted to do.
yes, ma'am. Basically, money before and all, money was our net worth, but nowadays, network is our net worth. What network we have, that is our net worth.
Sorry?
What network we have is our net worth.
Yeah, totally agree, sir. Totally.
Yeah.
Very big thing. Very big thing. Yeah. Through WhatsApp, you can reach
Yeah,
us.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because
ma'am.
networking is something which never. I have started my career in the digital marketing. It was through networking. I just remember. I remember it was a one session. One of the sir met in the from the MSME Karnal. I never knew he was the one. So he saw one article from the newspaper that I'm teaching more than 2,000 plus cancer patients and all. So he said that there is a lecture in Panipat. Can you take it? One lecture. It's for just for the 15 minutes. I said, okay, sir. I never said no. I said, okay, fine, sir. I'll come. So I for the 15 minutes I went to the that lecture, and for that 15 minutes now I am into the MSME Karnal, Uttar Pradesh, and Delhi. Now
Oh my God.
Ludhiana, yeah. So basically, this is something because we were able to provide that which was not solved. They were into the MSMEs programs from so long, and the difficulties was faced that trainers are not
So
able
they found a good resource
to.
like you.
Yeah, actually, people approach us and say like, we have already done this. We have a very good success stories from each batch. At least 10% we are getting the success stories. So that is the great motivation for us for keep going on. And even in the last class, we had like one person who was 87 years old, and he was doing great.
Wow.
Yeah, we were so motivated. Like despite the age bar there, he was doing everything, and he has done all the homework on time. So that
Mhm.
was the motivation which always takes
Okay.
us. And I think that is the reason I'm sitting in, not in front of you but talking, because cancer was something so big. But if you are doing something for the giving the value for the money, people will always blesses you. So that is the blessings we are getting. So
Yeah,
I
sure,
think this
sure,
is the
ma'am. Yeah.
best thing we have able to do.
We all will, in our WhatsApp group, we have about 139 members, like almost like 100 members will daily pray for you, ma'am.
Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. Thank you
Ma'am,
so much.
ma'am,
Deadlines
also I
are
have
too
another
much.
one doubt.
Yeah.
Anybody? Okay. Okay, ma'am. Also another doubt I have.
Yeah.
Suppose, ma'am, if I am skilled in Canva, if I am skilled in Animaker,
Yeah.
and suppose I want to generate a good lead, could you please
Yeah.
provide the good leads? Because nowadays, as you said, there are a lot of fake people also. They will get our work, they won't pay money properly. If suppose you are giving a credible person, if you are pointing out as a credible person to us, when we do our excellent work, they will pay us excellent money, right?
Right.
So, do you have in digital dronacharya? Do you pay? Do you show us the good clients?
Yeah, yeah, for sure. So if you make any portfolio or something, if you will share it, we do. We are not into the services, so we always get the services part. Like if I can get the website done, if I can get this done, so I can always give you a reference. That is what I'm saying. Just be in the network, start working on it, show us the work,
Yeah.
and we will always give you a reference and a good reference. I have done the services part. I've done the political parties as well. I have taken the experience in that. But now I'm totally into the education center, like totally education centered, because this is something which I like the most. So that is the reason. So of course I have the services part always open. So if you just be in touch, I'll always share. I got always like in a single day I get 10 leads at least. Please
Uh-huh.
services dilwa do ya ye kar do, but we won't do, but they want someone trustworthy, so that is how it works. So you
Yeah.
can always
So, as you are a leading digital marketing company, many people will approach you for your work, right? So you can
yes,
secure
yes, yes, a
leads.
lot. I'm telling you, each day minimum 10.
Oh, God. So,
Minimum 10 that they want website, they want app, they want wedding cards. Wedding cards are right now, it's a very demanding. Very,
uh-huh.
very demanding. Because e-invites are there and it's like huge
Oh,
charges.
e-invites. Okay, okay. Yeah, nobody will go to
Yeah,
the now nobody has time to go to the houses and give the wedding cards as earlier. Now
yeah,
e-cards is becoming famous. Yeah.
yeah, but people are charging a lot of amount for that. So If you go with it, it will hardly take a lot of time of yours. So if you go with a 2-3,000 or 4,000, because people are charging more than 10-20,000
So,
for
ma'am,
8
these
times.
basically e-cards which we can use like Canva and Animaker using those, or basically
Basically,
what
in
software we
If you
use?
have the Canva Premium, that's fine. If you need Canva Premium in a very cheaper way, I can share the number for that as well. He will give you in like 300-400 a year.
Yeah, that we know that, ma'am. Actually, Mohit
Yeah,
sir
so
informed
if
earlier.
you're
Yeah.
getting these kind of things, just go with the Pro, and only Canva will work on it. You don't need even any maker for that.
Okay. So Canva
Yeah.
is enough for that making e-wedding
Yeah,
cards
yeah, yeah. They are also doing that in that way only.
for birthday
A lot
parties,
of
everything. Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Sure. I'll just share.
Fine.
You can just give my reference as well if you need discounts. And if they charge, if we charge more, just say that मैम ने बोला है कि 400 में ही मिलना है, 400 से ज़्यादा नहीं होगा, और even he can give you more discounts as well.
Ma'am, we are not clear about everyday homeworks, ma'am. Can you please mention that also?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. For the everyday homework, I need Mohit sir to coordinate with you all.
Okay.
So that, because it was given in the class only, so for that I need him to connect in the, in the group only. He will reply to that. I just text him.
Okay, ma'am. And any last date of submission or something like that, or we can take our time, ma'am?
You can take your time, because homework will be needed for the certificates as well. You can take like 4-5 days if you want, if that's okay with you. It takes for the certifications as well. Like 4-5 days it take, MSME takes for the certifications. So till then you can just submit your homework if that's okay with you. If you face any issues as well, for if you need further time, you can just take more time as well.
Yes, ma'am. Because we are beginners, maybe even a small work might take more time because we have to
Yes.
explore everything for the
No,
first time. So,
no worries. You can take more time as well. Don't worry.
thank you.
We just want that homework is something, so that you are, doing something in a practical way. So that is the only thing that is the only thing. So we would love to give the franchise in Chennai. I don't have right now.
Ma'am, another doubt. This is Sujita here.
Yeah.
Actually, we are creating websites, right, ma'am?
Yeah.
What's the difference between there are developers, testers, manual testers, automation, everything is there now. Then what's the difference? Uh, uh, just we are creating here and they are testing, everything is going on, right? What's the difference?
Can you please pardon difference between the websites in a like in a way of that in a like
No,
automation
actually,
way?
she's
Coding,
asking.
coding.
Okay.
Coding.
Basically, ma'am, in the past year, it was website only channel was coding. Okay. So to do the code, a person understand if they want to change, they want to take a lot. It takes a lot of time to change that. It's as simple as that. If you're working on a Photoshop, you are devoting 4-5 hours for one poster, and if you're working on Canva, it takes a click, right, to drag and drop. It's not that you cannot make in a scratch. So in a coding websites, it's little bit difficult to do the SEO part and to make the changes. So nowadays nobody is going for the coding websites, they are going for the websites like Wix and WordPress, and more preferable is Wix, because WordPress again more, like it's expensive, and it's they are not giving that drag and drop option like Wix. So people are preferring more on the this, and it's a cheaper as well. You are getting your work done in a more creative way with a good ranking in a cheaper time and a cheaper way. If someone wants to make a coding website, it takes long way, more and more money. So that is the difference.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am Sumaya. Ma'am, how many days recording available? because I'm
Um,
little bit slow learner, ma'am. That's why I'm asking.
you can take your time, don't worry. Sir, you will get the Google form link for the homework on which you can submit. You will get the link for that. After the class, you will get, you can put your all the homework on Google Docs and then you can upload it. You will get the Google form. So thank you class, thank you everyone, thank you so much. I like each day when it comes to 7:35, I get the call from Mohit sir that Didi, they are the brilliant students. They are so amazing. They are so hardworking, and that made my day. That always made my day. So thank you so much everyone for being the amazing audience. I hope you like these sessions and anything you find like for the suggestion, we are very open. If you can just let us know if something we need to improve or something. Thank you so much, but literally hats off to all of you, because each day I got like really really good reviews of all of you from from the team. So thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Yes, ma'am. Even Mohit sir is a very good employee for you, ma'am. Actually, he is also very soft spoken and he answers us very clearly. Whatever doubts we have asked with tirelessly, he answers every questions.
Lot
So,
of
very good
patience.
employee, ma'am. Hmm.
Yes, that is the USP of us. Because in the education center, people don't have patience, so we work on patience. And absolutely, Mohit sir is a blessing to me as well. I have a very good team. So I am
Actually,
blessed with that. Without team, I am nothing. So yeah.
actually in Tirukkural, Tamil, have you heard about, ma'am? Tirukkural?
No, sir, I have not heard.
Tiruvalluvar, he is a very famous saint, ma. He is a very famous poet. He has written a lot of 1,330 verses he has written. You can just
Okay.
search in the Hindi also, it will be available. Tirukkural.
Okay. Okay. Wow.
Yeah, please read that. Read that book.
Perfect. I will surely. I'm a very good. I like to read books.
Yeah, if you read that book means in that he used to say that patience is bigger than the sea.
Yeah.
Patience is bigger than the sea. Like that it used to say.
Yeah.
And a lot of good things are there. Please read that book, ma'am. In Hindi version, it will be available because Modi ji also promoted that book in many countries. He has promoted that book, and even Abdul Kalam has read it more than 1,000 times.
Wow. That's great. That's
Yeah,
great.
so please read that book, ma'am. Tirukkural. Yeah.
Perfect, sir. Thank you so much for recommending. I
Madam,
will.
today is the last
Ma'am,
class.
Yeah.
ma'am, one more thing.
Yes.
Uh, to to begin with, I thought I'll practice with the creation of posters in Canva.
Yeah.
So, like Pinterest would be the best place to do that.
Pinterest, you can make pins for that basically, but I would already recommended you Behance. That is not for the professional front. So Behance is already for the professional front. So you can already do that as well for the ranking on Google. Pinterest is good for the ranking on Google, but I would again prefer Behance as a platform which is tested and tried. So for that, I can guarantee you that you will get the good response. So for the Pinterest, I have to, you can just experiment it. We would also love to learn if that would work.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, sure.
No, WhatsApp group will be there. WhatsApp group will be there for the lifetime only.
Hi, ma'am. This is Sangeeta here.
Hello, ma'am.
Sangeeta here, that's what we heard.
Yeah. So I'll just sum up the class today. I'm very overwhelmed. Thank you for all the
Hello,
blessings.
I'm sorry
Yeah.
to stop you in the act. Just
Yeah.
wanted to check more about the certification. I remember Kaushik saying that he's going to send the link wherein we would have to leave the link for the assignments what is given. So what about
You're
that?
not
That
at all audible very
Not
clearly.
audible.
hello?
Yeah.
Okay. Kaushik sir had told us that we are supposed to leave our assignment
Yeah.
in the link what he's going to share with us.
For the
And
assignment, I'll just ask Mohit sir to contact in the group for the list of homework he has given. He will just give you an answer within an hour. And for the certifications, you will get it in 4 5 days for sure. It has like when you submit the form, it uploads in the government websites, and then you will get the certifications generated. So that's how it works. So it takes 4 5 days, and you will get the certificates for sure. And you, if you have missed any like sessions, you can just go for the YouTube as well. I just ask Mohit sir to coordinate for the homework part.
so you mean to say after we, load in our assignment, post
Ma'am,
that we're
you're
going to
not
receive
at
this.
all audible actually. I'm not able to hear
I'm so
you.
sorry. Looks like I have a weak connection. Can you hear me now?
No, ma'am, it seems. You can just type it down if that's okay with you.
Uh, Madam, we already submitted the form before doing the payment.
Yeah, sir, you have to submit one more form. You will get it into the group after the last class.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
I'm just taking one last question from Sarah ma'am, and I have to leave now. Otherwise, I'll get scolded that I have took the session so long. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, yes, yes. You will don't worry about the homework. You will get the time to submit the homework as well, and you will get the link to submit the homework. Don't worry about that. That is, I'll just coordinate with sir as well. How will it work? He will submit the link in the group. You have to submit that for to get the certificates. So yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Henry. Thanks a lot. No, no, it won't take the forever, obviously. If you'll devote hardly 1.5 hour daily, you will complete it soon. Don't worry about that. If you face any issues, we'll be there. Don't worry. Even if you are new, we have taught the very, very easy tools. So don't worry about that.
Madam, the whether that Google form should be filled after the assignment or before the assignment.
You can fill with before the assignment as well.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Good
Thank you,
night.
ma'am. Thank you. Thanks
Thanks
a
a
lot.
lot. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye, ma'am. Good night.
Bye. Good
Thank you.
night. Good night, everyone. Thank you for the blessings. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.